Hi! Welcome to Yoga is Easy like ABCD. Today we'll be talking about this downward facing dog. In Sanskrit word is called Adho, Mukha, Svanasana. Let's see what are the don'ts in the downward facing dog. The first one, don't ever try to open the arms to the side. And the second one, don't bend the arms and try to move the arms towards the ground. And the third one, don't squeeze the shoulders, try to relax the shoulders. Now let's get into the downward facing dog. So first of all, you can make a prayer, put the heart center, bring the feet close together or 10 cm apart. When you inhale, you can raise both arms up and make a slight back bend. When you exhale, rotate from your hips. Place your palms down, you can bend your knee, bring one leg back and followed by another leg. And straight away, you can push yourself come into the downward facing dog. So in the downward facing dog, you have options to choose. Don't tense yourself up. You can relax your calf muscles by lifting one heel up, bend your one knee, and all the time keep the spine straight and long. Alright, remember, you always ready yourself by inhale, bend your knee, exhale. Bring the heels as close as possible to the mat. Now, the first option is you always bend your knee, lift the heel up in downward dog. Option 2, you can try to straighten the knees with the heels up, but remember, extend the arms, keep the spine long and straight. And now we come to the last option where you can straighten your knees by bringing your heels as close as possible to the mat. And the key will be your palms. Remember all the time grip strongly and keep the spine long and nice. So when you inhale, we try to grip strongly from the inner palms up, activate your back leg muscles. When you exhale, extend the arms fully, push the hips high. Okay, try to bring the heels down if possible. The next inhale, grip even stronger. Relax the neck and shoulders all the time. When you exhale this time, you try to bring the belly in and then push the hips higher and press the heels down. After staying for 5 breaths in downward dog, the next, you can try to bring your chest forward, making a plank, and come into the chaturanga if possible, and make yourself into the cobra to inhale and exhale back to the downward facing dog again. And now you can try to bend both knees and come into the child pose to end the session. Thank you for watching. Hope this short clip may help you in your downward facing dog. If you have any question, you can leave your comments or just inbox me for further questions. See you in the next video. Bye!